Hi guys, how you doing? Me and Sammy are fine. Get up there. Get up there. Okay. Sammy and I are fine. We're sitting down by the river. I am finally crocheting some stuff. I've been working on this thing. Okay. I started yesterday, I think, but I have had to take, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows out. At least 4 times. And I finally realized that it was in the 5th row that I had a problem. So, yeah, I just figured that out. And, why, might you ask, did I have a problem? 'Cause I can't count. I gotta show you this. Can you see all that mess down there? Yep. That's what I just ripped out. So, but I got it. Now I dropped my thing. So I've conquered it. So now I can breathe a little bit and go back to crocheting. I haven't told you about the car, or the van car, blah, blah, blah. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. God, weird. So I got new tires put on it, okay? So I went to have it aligned, because it's pulling to the right a little bit. And I thought, well, actually, Dave and I both thought it might be the alignment or something in the wheel itself was a little off, or, something. So I went to have it aligned after I got my new tires, which took me 4 days because I kept kept saying, is it coming in yet? Have they come in yet? And I had to go to Sevierville to get my tires. I had to order them, for crying out loud. Anyway, got those done. Went to have it aligned. So Dave calls me up and says, hey sis, I thought it was kind of funny that he caught me right when I was at the tire place. He says, hey, what are you doing? I go, waiting on my car. And he goes, want to have lunch? I said, oh, sure. So we went out to lunch. We went to Huddle House, which is normally amazing, but that day it sucked. So, ooh, it was bad. Anyway, we get back and I go to get out of the car, and I notice he's going out to get out of the car too. I said, what are you doing? And he goes, oh, I just want to check and see if you, what happened to your car. And I said, well, then leave your wallet in your car. You don't need to be taking that in with you. He goes, oh, I can't go anywhere without my wallet. And Dave, you're a big fat liar. Because you forget it all the time. So he pushes me out of the way, goes up to the counter and says, I want to see Vivian Kimberlin's car. I want to pay for it. And just kind of pushes me aside. I said, oh, wait a minute. And the lady says, okay, let him pay for it. And I'm looking at her, are you out of your mind? I don't want him to pay for it. She says, all you have to do is sign. There's no charge. And I go, what do you mean no charge? And she goes, well, we didn't have to do an alignment. There wasn't anything wrong with your vehicle. So Dave and I are looking at each other like, what? So they said they checked everything while it was up on the rack, and they couldn't find anything wrong with it, and they put it on the scope, and everything was in green for, I guess they put it on something that if it needs alignment, it turns up red. Well, this was all green. So all they did was switch 2 tires in the front, the ones that Walmart put on a couple days before. So, anywho, my car / home is roadworthy now. Hot dog. I am so happy. Now I gotta just conquer the heat and we'll be golden. I'm really seriously thinking about getting one of them little square things that some friends told me about. It's called Arctic Air or something, and it's this little square box, and you put water in it, and it's like a fan or something, and it kind of keeps you cool, which is all. It won't do a great big room, but it'll do my van. And I'm thinking about going and getting one, what I'm going to do, and I'm not playing a game here, okay? Just want to make that perfectly clear to some people. I had bought a vacuum sealer, a portable one, right? So I can, vacuum seal stuff on the road. And I didn't realize it had a plug. So that cost me like $20-some. And I thought, well, I haven't used it because it's electrical. I don't want electrical. I wanted, I thought it was battery or, the UB port things. And it wasn't. So I thought, well, I've already spent that money, so I'll take that back and get one of them Arctic Airs and only have to shell out about $10 more for it. And I thought, well, that's a pretty, that's a good deal. So, because what I forgot I did was I had bought a, one of those things that fill up air mattresses. Okay, well, it's a little bitty thing, and it blows air into your mattress, but it also sucks it out too if you put it in reverse. So I thought, I will just put a stuff that I want to vacuum seal in a baggie that's meant for vacuum sealing, and I'll put it in there, and then I'll tape it real quick, and that will keep it fresh for a lot longer. Well, I had forgot I had one. So I'm going to take this sucker back and get one of them Arctic Air things, and hopefully that'll do the trick, so me and Sammy can get on the road. We want to get on. I took Sammy out the other day, and he didn't want to get out of the van. I felt so bad. I really did. I felt real bad about making him get out. But which leads me to another problem. And I'm hoping this is like the coward's way out, okay? I know it. As soon as I'm sitting here talking to you guys, it's the coward's way out. I was supposed to go down and help my cousin Cathy to take her to Jacksonville, a 45-minute trip from her house to a hospital appointment she's got that she may have to stay all night at a hotel. Well, it's been pointed out to me that you're spending all the gas to get down there, not to mention your health about being in the heat, not to mention Sammy's health being attacked by not only sand fleas, but red ants, and he's always a mess after Cathy and Mary's house. Not that it's their fault, you know, it's Florida. Yeah. But, you know, for something that they could take a 45-minute drive. So, I warned her, Cathy, that I might not be able to do it because of the car. Well, the car's fine. But I'm thinking about my health, and not to mention the fact that my daughter called and said that she needs my help. I cannot screw that up. I can't screw my daughter and my relationship up over, you know. Oh, that sounds horrible, doesn't it? I'm choosing my daughter over my cousin. I don't know. I gotta call Cathy today and tell her, and I'm just avoiding it so much because I don't want to hurt her feelings, and it's a big old foobar. Anyway, that's my thing. I'm such a coward. Anyway, I hate to tell people no. You know, I think honestly I was put on this earth to help people. I really do. And it's called, and it's not this kind of thing. It's called a servant spirit. It's just the need to help people, to, you know, look after people and forget about yourself. And that's the way I've always been. But lately it's been brought to my attention that I need to look after my health by my other daughter, which, you know, she's can get a little bit stern. Plus I've been having dreams about my cancer coming back, and I just want to have fun. I just want to have fun. I don't want to be, you know, and that the weekend's my birthday too. It's July 30th. I just don't want to spend it in a hospital or by myself sitting in a hotel room. That's no fun. Anyway, I hope I didn't bore you guys. And Cathy, I know you're going to call me after this video, so I will answer. I will answer the phone. I promise. So, anyway, guys, take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo woo. And I love you. I mean it, really. Bye. I said, ooh, ooh. Take it easy. I did everything. Okay. Oh, thumbs up, subscribe, and all that crap. Okay? All right. See ya. Bye.